In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a coolant reservoir on your Honda Accord. It's going to be located right in the front of the motor. If you need this part or any other part, check us out at 1aauto.com. Remove the hose off of the coolant reservoir, pull straight back. In front down here on the left, there's going to be a 10mm bolt. We're going to remove that bolt. Remove the bolt. Pull straight up and remove the coolant tank. We're going to install the new coolant tank. Be sure the dowel lines up with the hole on the bottom, and this tab right here drops into this bracket. Install the bolt in the front. Snug it down. Get it snug into about a quarter turn. Install the cooling hose. Push it straight on. Fill the reservoir with coolant. You can open the top, fill it to the max line, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for all future videos.